Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 11, The Three Friends of our Classic Tales book. In this chapter, we are going to read about three friends who cheat each other. So let's start now. Long ago, there were three thieves. They used to break into houses at night and share their stolen goods with each other. The three mostly stole food and small articles. So, here are some words. Goods. The meaning of goods is things. The next word is articles. The meaning of articles is also things. One day, the thieves decided that it was high time they carried out a grand robbery. So, they planned to steal some money from the house of the landlord of a village nearby. Here is a word grand. The meaning of grand means big. And the word steal. Steal means churana. So, this is a story about the three friends. Long ago, there were three friends. They were thieves, and they used to enter silently into the houses at night and then stole some goods. And after that, they shared them with each other. And they usually stole food and some small things. Once upon a time, they planned to do a big robbery. So, they planned to steal some money from the house of the landlord. Now, the next paragraph. That very night, the thieves carried out their plan. They broke into the landlord's house quietly. They found a huge safe in his bedroom. They cracked open the safe and ran away with 3 bags of gold coins. So, here is a word quietly. Quietly means silently, without making any noise. And the word huge, the meaning of huge is big. So, that night, the thieves carried out their plan. उन्होंने अपना plan पूरा किया. They entered the landlord's house very silently. And what did they find there? They found a huge safe in the landlord's bedroom. Then they opened the safe and they stole 3 bags of gold coin. And after taking them, they ran away from there. Now, the next page. The thieves ran and hid in the forest close to the village. The next morning, all 3 of them were hungry. They decided that one of them would go to the village to get food. Now, all 3 of them were plotting each other's death, for each had become greedy after seeing so much gold. So, when one of them went to the village, the other 2 decided to kill him on his return and share his loot. Both of them were also secretly plotting ways to get rid of each other as well. So, in this paragraph, here is a word plotting. Plotting means planning. And the other word is get rid of. The meaning of get rid of is take an action so as to be free. किसी से छुटकारा पाने के लिए कोई एक्शन लेना, कोई काम करना. So, after taking the 3 bags of gold, the thieves ran towards the forest and they hid there. Next morning, they were very hungry. So, they decided that one of them would go to the village and get food for them. Now, all of the 3 were planning each other's death because they had become very greedy after seeing so much gold. उनके मन में लालच आ गया था. So, when one of the 3 had gone to the village, the other 2 planned to kill him. Now, both of them were also planning to kill each other. Now, third paragraph. The thief who had gone to the village had a hearty meal there itself. He then bought some food for his friends. On his way back, he mixed poison in the food he had bought. Now, the thief who had gone to the village, he had a hearty meal, a very good meal there, a very wholesome meal there. Then he bought some food for his two friends, but on the way he mixed poison in that food because he had also become greedy and he wanted to take their shares also. Now turn over the page. When he reached the forest, his friends charged on him with lathis and killed him in a moment. They then divided his share of coins. After that, they ate the food their friend had brought. In just a few minutes, the poison started working and the friends were very sick. Very soon, both of them died too. Thus ended the lives of the three friends who betrayed each other. Moral: evil begets evil. So, here is a word charred. Charred means attacked. When that thief reached the forest, his two friends attacked on him with lathis and he was killed within a moment. Then they divided his share. After that, when they ate that food, within some time the poison started working and both of them were very sick and now they had died too. In this way, the lives of all the three friends was ended who had cheated each other. And the moral is evil begets evil. It means बुराई का बदला बुराई ही होता है. So we should try to behave with everyone in a very nice manner. Now I hope that all of you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.